Hi guys, welcome to this video. So in this video, we will talk about that how to add the page numbers to your PDF document at footer position. It can be either left position, center position, or right position. So page numbers are really important in PDF document. It actually serves the purpose of actually showing which page number the user on. So we will be using jsPDF library. I will show you very simple application. We have a button right here. If I click this button, the PDF file will get downloaded, and you will actually see at the bottom of the page, we will add this page numbering, page 1 of how many total number of pages. So there are two pages, total pages are two pages. That's why page 1 of 2, and this is the last page, page 2 of 2. So I will show you how to add these page numbers to in the PDF document in JSPDF library. If you don't know about JSPDF, it's a client-side JavaScript PDF generation library. It also are available on Node.js as well, but we will be looking at an browser example. So now to get started, all the source code is given in the description, so you can get the source code. So now to get started, we will simply say JSPDF add page numbers example. So first of all, we do need to include the CDN for JSPDF. So script tag, we will be getting this CDN from Cloudflare. So cloudflare.com/ajax libs JSPDF, and then the version number that we are using is 1.5.3. This is the version number. So we are including the JSPDF min.js so that we can use JSPDF inside our application. So after doing this, we will simply have a button. We will simply say generate PDF. So we will bind a on-click listener to this button. So when we click this button, this function will execute, which will be generate PDF. Now in the script section, we do need to define this function, which will be generate PDF. So inside this function, guys, we need to create a new instance of new object of JSPDF class. So we will simply say leg.new JSPDF. So we can access JSPDF using this constructor. We are instantiating a new instance and storing it inside doc. So this object contains various methods. We can set the font size to be, let's suppose, 20. We can set the font style as well. Let's suppose I set it to italic. And then in order to add a page, we have this method of add page. So this will actually, by default, if I don't add this, by default one page is automatically added. So I'm just adding the second page. As soon if I again invoke this will add another page. So now it will contain three pages. So if I want to save this file, you will actually say output.pdf. So now if I open this application, the pagination will not be there, but if you see, if I click this button, it should do the job. It is saying JSPDF is not defined. I think I made a mistake right here. Libs JSPDF 1.5.3. Let me paste the CDN once again. All the source code is given in the description. Let me try this once again. So now you can see the PDF file is downloading. So the pagination is not there, the page numbering is not there, but it contains three pages, three blank pages like this. So now to add that page numbering, it's really simple. We can actually use a simple for loop, but we need to calculate the total pages first of all. To get the total pages, we have a function in JSPDF which is doc.internal get number of pages. This function will actually return the total number of pages. In this case, it will be 3, and we'll be using a simple for loop where I is equal to 1, and it will run until it reaches the total number of pages. For now, it will run 3 times. For each time, we will be incrementing the value of I plus plus. And for each page, we need to set the page number to be set page I, and then the actual text. So here for the page numbering, we give some space here to get in the center position. and then it basically we need to set that we need to concatenate the actual page. So you'll simply say page and then some spacing, and then you're concatenating the current page which is available in the I variable, and then we'll simply say of the total pages which is there in the variable, and then the x coordinate which is 10, and the height here, this is actually width, and for calculating the height we will simply use this formula doc.internal page size dot height minus 10. So you can change this formula, change these values to actually adjust to your liking. That's all that we need to do. It will actually use this text method to actually add those page numbers to all the pages. So if I now refresh here, again click this button. So now if you see, you will actually see it will add these page numbers. Page 1, this is page 2, this is the last page which is page 3 of 3. So in this way you can add your page numbers. You can adjust the spacing right here if you want to have right in the center. You can adjust the spacing by editing the code. Now it is appearing right in the center, you can see that. So you can make some slight modifications. Let's suppose if you want to adjust the font size, let me make it little bit smaller. So, and then you need to adjust the sizing of it, just give more space because the text is small. So in this way guys, you can add these page numbers and the footer position right in the center, or you can even place it right here as well. So this depends upon how much space that you will give. So you can, this code you can modify it accordingly wherever you want to just show the page numbers. So in this way you can add page numbers to your PDF document in jsPDF. This was the short little tutorial that I wanted to tell you. All the source code is given in the description. Please hit that like button, subscribe the channel, and I will be seeing you in the next video.